For me, the reflection part of the lesson study is the best part, because that's when the teachers that participate in the lesson study, we get to come together and we get to reflect. We get to have those conversations about what we saw in each other's classrooms and what went on with the lessons. And for me, this is the part that really allows us to grow as educators and become better as teachers.
The rubric gives us the same point of reference. We are able to have critical conversations about what the students are learning and how they're learning it, because we have the same language, we have the same end goal, we have the same mindset. So when we come into our PLCs, we're able to speak about the proficiency levels of each student using our rubric. And it's a great way to reflect on the clear expectations that we've set. It not only influences how we teach, but it also influences our conversations that we have on a daily basis.
Yeah, during the reflection portion of this, we'll talk about, we use the observation sheet to kind of guide our conversations as we're going through. It helps us stay organized, it helps us stay focused and on point and maximize our time when we're going through this process. So as we're going through reflecting, and we're using the guide to guide our reflection process, so we're discussing specific portions of the lessons that we taught, that we observed, and sharing with each other the observations of what we felt went well, what specific portions went well, the things that we anticipated would go well or went as expected before, because we fill these out going in with expectations of kind of what we think will go well and then what didn't. And oftentimes we're surprised. Sometimes what we expected to go in and we think this part of the lesson is going to go really well, it doesn't. And aspects of the lesson that we anticipate we might struggle with, it goes well. But that's par for the course when you're teaching. Not every lesson goes as planned, but we adapt, we learn, we move on, and we become better at our craft. And that's the best part about the lesson study process, I think, for our department, is having these conversations.